Can I use any laptop as a monitor for my PS4 with HDMI, or are there specific ones that work better?
Hello and welcome. Today, we are addressing a common question. Can I use any laptop as a monitor for my PS4 with HDMI, or are there specific ones that work better? Let's break it down and find out.
Can any laptop be used as a monitor?
To begin with, it's important to understand that not all laptops can be directly used as a monitor for your PS4. This is due to the fact that the HDMI port on most laptops is an output port, not an input one. This means it's designed to send signals out to a monitor, not to receive them from a device like a PS4. However, don't be disheartened. There are ways around this, but it does involve using some software solutions.
What about laptops with HDMI input?
There are indeed some specialized laptops on the market that do have HDMI input ports. These machines, often used in the fields of video production and game development, are designed to accept HDMI signals from external devices. If your laptop has an HDMI input, you can connect your PS4 directly to it with an HDMI cable. But remember, these laptops are not common, and chances are the average user won't have one.
So, what can you do?
For most people, the solution lies in software. You can use a program like the PS4 Remote Play app. This application allows you to stream your PS4's output to a laptop over your home network. Here's a brief step-by-step guide. 1. Download and install the PS4 Remote Play app on your laptop. 2. Connect your PS4 and your laptop to the same network. 3. Open the app on your laptop and follow the instructions to connect it to your PS4. Remember, the quality of your stream will depend on the quality of your home network. A better connection will provide a smoother and higher quality experience.
Are there any better options?
Certain laptops with higher specifications will handle the PS4 Remote Play app better. These would typically be gaming laptops with powerful processors, ample RAM, and a good quality display. The better your laptop specifications, the smoother your gaming experience will be. But don't worry, even if your laptop isn't top of the line, you should still be able to use the PS4 Remote Play app fairly effectively. The most important factor is your network connection. In conclusion, while not all laptops can directly serve as a monitor for your PS4, most can do so indirectly using the PS4 Remote Play app. Make sure to have a robust network connection for the best experience. Happy gaming, and I hope this video has been helpful.